If your toaster is browning one side more than the other, if your toast keeps coming out burnt on top and raw at the bottom, or if one slot works perfectly while the other barely heats up, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix uneven toasting at home, step by step, just like a professional appliance technician, and without spending money on a new toaster. This guide works for Philips, Russell Hobbs, Kenwood, Black Plus Decker, Panasonic, Toshiba, and most standard toaster brands. Step 1, safety first. Before doing anything, unplug the toaster. Never open or touch any internal part while it's connected to electricity. Let the toaster cool completely and place it on a clean flat surface with good lighting. We will be working with delicate heating elements, so take your time. Step 2, understanding why toasting becomes uneven. Uneven toasting happens for 3 main reasons. Heating elements wear out. One side glows bright red. The other stays dull. Carbon buildup. Crumbs and burnt particles block heat and reduce performance. Misaligned bread slots. Bread sits too close to one coil and too far from the other. Weak thermostat or damaged wiring. Toasting becomes inconsistent every cycle. Today, I'll teach you how to diagnose each one properly. Step 3. Remove excess crumbs and carbon buildup. Flip the toaster upside down and remove the crumb tray. Tap gently to shake out loose crumbs. Now look inside the slots using a flashlight. If you see black carbon deposits stuck to the elements, that's a major cause of uneven toasting. Use a soft brush, a wooden stick, or a clean paintbrush to gently loosen debris. Never use metal tools. They can break the heating wires. Cleaning alone fixes 40 to 50% of uneven toasting issues. Step 4. Inspect the heating elements. Now turn the toaster on briefly to check the glow pattern. But remember, do not put your hand inside at this stage. Observe closely. Do both sides glow evenly? Is one side bright and the other side dim? Are there sections of the coil that do not glow at all? If parts of the element are dark or broken, the coil is damaged. Let the toaster cool again. Then open the bottom panel using a screwdriver. Inside, you'll see thin nichrome heating wires wrapped around mica insulators. If the wire is broken, burnt, or hanging loose, that is the reason for uneven toasting. Minor breaks can sometimes be reconnected carefully, but usually the element needs to be replaced. Step 5. Fix misaligned bread slots. Sometimes the elements are fine, but the bread cage inside is bent. This pushes the bread too close to one side. Use your fingers or pliers to gently realign the metal guides so that the bread sits in the center of the slot. A centered bread slice means balanced heating. Step 6. Check the thermostat and timer. If the toaster heats unevenly every cycle, the problem may be with the internal thermostat or timing circuit. Signs include heavy checkmark, one slot finishes much earlier than the other. Heavy checkmark, the toaster pops up too soon or too late. Heavy checkmark, toast color changes every cycle. Open the toaster bottom panel and look for loose wires, burned connectors, weak springs, dirty contact. Tightening loose terminals or cleaning contacts often restores performance. Step 7. When to replace the heating element. If your heating wire is completely broken or burned out, replacement is the only long-term fix. The good news? Replacement toaster elements are cheap and easy to install. Just note, each model has a specific element size. Reconnect wiring exactly as it was. Secure mica plates properly so they don't warp. After replacing the element, the toaster will heat evenly again, like new. Final test. Put in 2 slices of bread and test both slots. Check the color. Heavy check mark, even browning. Marca de verificación gruesa, 90 spots. Heavy check mark, both sides matching. If everything looks good, congratulations, you just fixed your toaster at home. If this guide helped you solve your uneven toasting problem, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Easy Solutions for more practical repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy perfectly toasted bread every morning.